Right, today lesson is mathematical operations on whole numbers. Right? Okay, I think you have finished writing the topic. Right? So first we'll see what is mathematical operations and what is whole numbers. Right? ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලමු මොනවද මේ mathematical operations කියන්නේ කියලා. So in grade 6 you have done mathematical operations. Okay, now see mathematical operations. So can you tell me how many mathematical operations are there?
4.
Yes, there are 4 mathematical operations. Okay, there are 4 mathematical operations. Now see, using this table, right, I am going to show you what are the mathematical operations. Right, see, here I take mathematical operations, right, mathematical operations, and that mathematical operation you can write using a symbol. Okay, mathematical operation you can write using a symbol, right? So first mathematical operation is addition, right? Addition. So symbol we use for addition is this plus sign. This is the symbol. Okay, so first mathematical operation is addition, then second one is subtraction, right? So symbol is this minus sign, right? Then next is multiplication, right? We use this sign. Then fourth one is division. So this is the symbol, right? එතකොට මේ තමා mathematical operations 4. මේ තමා ඒවා ලියන symbol 4. Right? So these are the 4 symbols. Right? So we use these 4 symbols. These are symbols. Okay? Right. So first write down this one. Right? Write the small topic, mathematical operations. Then draw a small table like this. Then write the mathematical operation and their symbols. Right? Please hurry up, write down. Right. So now you know what is mathematical operations, right? So there are 4 mathematical operations and there are symbols. Okay, right. Now next one is what is whole numbers. Okay, what is whole numbers, because our topic is mathematical operations on this whole numbers, right? So now let's see what is whole numbers, right? Whole numbers කියන්නේ මොනවද කියලා බලන්නයි යන්නේ. So whole numbers mean we use numbers to count, right? To count. How to count? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. You can see dot. So these are called whole numbers. These are whole numbers. So here I have written few of the whole numbers. Okay, now whole numbers කියන්නේ මොනවද? අපි count කරන්න use කරනවා 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 කියලා numbers, right? අන්න ඒවා තමයි මොනවද? whole numbers. ඒතර මම මෙතන ලියලා තියෙන්නේ කීපයයි, right? Can see? So now I am going to show you big whole numbers. See here, 0 1 2 3 4 like that, right? Then 10 12, right? Then 100 1000 10,000, right? So it is not ending. Make a ඉවර නැහැ, right? So these are called whole numbers, right? Whole numbers. ඔයාලා පස්සේ ඉගෙන ගන්නවා මේක infinity කියලා. infinity කියන්නේ ඉවරයක් නැහැ. right? එතකොට these are the whole numbers. Okay? Right. Now write this small topic whole numbers. Then write these whole numbers. Right? මෙන්න මේ සේරම ටික මේවා ලියන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. Right? So write this few of these whole numbers. This one 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Then put the dot.
Finish.
Right. Whole numbers. So these are the whole numbers. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Right. Okay, now you know what is whole numbers and what is mathematical operations. Right. Now see, now I apply mathematical operations for this whole number. See, 5 whole number. Okay, mathematical operation is addition. Okay, 2 whole number, mathematical operations, 4 whole number. So I can write this type of expression, right? Then this is another one. See, multiplication, subtraction, 8, 4, 2 whole numbers. Okay, see another one, 9, division, 7, addition, 2, right? Whole numbers is there, mathematical operation is there. So this type of expression we call, right? See another one also, numerical expressions, right? Numeric means numbers, right? එතකොට මේ බලන්න මෙන්න මේ වගේ ලියන expression මේවට කියන්නේ අපි expression. මෙන්න මේ expression වලට කියනවා numerical expression. Okay, you can use addition, multiplication, division, right, subtraction like that with numbers. So these are called numerical expression. Understood? Understood?
Yes. Yes.
So please write a small topic, numerical expressions. Then write this type of example, numerical expressions. Then write the small topic, numerical expression. Then write this example.
මම දැනුම් සම්බන්ධ වුණේ
Oh.
මොනවද ග්‍රේඩ් පොතේ ලියන්න ඕනේ.
Right. So see my first one. See, what is the mathematical operation?
Addition.
Addition, right? Addition is the mathematical operations. 2 whole number, 5 whole number. So I apply mathematical operations, addition to whole numbers 2 and 5. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. මෙන්න මේක තමයි කරන්න යන්නේ. මොකද්ද? Mathematical operations going to apply to the whole numbers. Okay, so you know how to take the answer, right? ඒතර තාම answer එක ගන්න යන්නේ නැහැ, right? See another one. What is the mathematical operation? Subtraction. Subtraction is the mathematical operation, right? What are the 2 whole numbers?
74 and 8.
74 and 8, right? 74 and 8. See another one. What is the mathematical operation?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Multiplication, mathematical operation. 84 for whole numbers, right? Here, same way, mathematical operation is division.
Division.
69, 3
Six.
whole numbers.
Three.
Okay,
Numbers.
right. Now see. Now see this one, big one. Okay. What is the mathematical operation here?
Addition.
Addition. See, addition, addition, addition. How many times? How many times?
3 times.
3 times. 3 times, right? So, see here, in this expression, addition, first time. Subtraction, only one time. Multiplication, one time. But here, addition, 3 times. Okay? So, this is also numerical expression. Right. Let's see another one. Right? Another one. Here. What is the mathematical operation here?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. So you can see 3 times subtraction. Okay? Whole numbers. Right. Here. What is mathematical operation here?
Multiplication.
So multiplication I use 1, 2, 3 times with whole numbers. Right? So here. How many mathematical operations? How many? Here. Addition,
Four mathematical operations.
Addition.
multiplication,
Multiplication.
division,
Division.
subtraction.
Subtraction.
Right. Okay. So this is also apply mathematical operations to the whole numbers. Okay. දැන් බලන්න මෙන්න මෙතන ලියලා තියෙනවනේ. Right, this one. 2 plus 5. Then you know how to take the answer. මේකේ answer එක කියන්න දන්නවා. 74 subtract 8. You know how to take the answer. 84 multiplied by 4. You can multiply, right? But see this one. 7 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4. This one also you know. මේකත් දන්නවා. But see the last one. 51 plus 4. Then multiply 22. Then divide by 5. Then subtract 5. එතකොට මේ වගේ mathematical operations ගොඩක් තියෙනවා නම් මුලින්ම තියෙන එක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම හදනවා කියලා එකක් නැහැ මේකේ. right? එතකොට මේ වගේ mathematical operations ගොඩක් යෙදිලා තියෙනවා නම් ඒවා හදන පිළිවෙලක් තියෙනවා. පිළිවෙලක් order එකක්. right? එතකොට මේ lesson එකේ බලන්න යන්නේ mathematical operations simplify කරන order එක ගැන. right? මුලින්ම addition තිබුණා කියලා addition කරන්නට බෑ. right? මුලින්ම multiplication තිබුණා කියලා මේකේ multiply කරන්නත් බෑ. ඒවා හදන පිළිවෙලක් තියෙනවා. order එකක්. අන්නේ order එකට තමයි අපි simplify කරන්නේ. එතකොට හැමෝම කරන්න ඕන ඒ order එකට විතරයි. right? ඒක rule එකක්. නීතියක්. right? So that is a rule. right? So in this lesson we are going to study what is that rule. right? So what is the rule? right? So before going to that one, right? So see, this is another numerical expression. එතකොට ඔයාලට මෙන්න මේ වගේ ඒවත් ලැබෙනවා ඈ. හරි. Now see this topic. Mathematical operations appear in order. Order, පිළිවෙල. right? appear කියන්නේ පේන්න තියෙන නේ. පේන්න තියෙන mathematical operations order එක. order එක බලන්න යන්නේ. see first one. This is my numerical expression. okay? 5 plus 4 minus 2. right? So what are the mathematical operations appear here?
Addition, subtraction, and subtraction.
Right. So I want to write in order. Order. What is the order? First addition, comma, then subtraction. See, first addition, right? Then subtraction. So plus, minus. These are the mathematical operations. හරිද? මේ බලන්න මේ තියෙන numerical expression එකේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම තියෙන්නේ addition. ඒක තමයි order එක පිළිවෙල. ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන්නේ subtraction. So if you write the mathematical operations in order, first you have to write addition, then subtraction, right? See another example. This is my second numerical expression. Numerical expression. Now, first mathematical operations here. What is?
Division.
Division. Then
Subtraction.
subtraction. Last,
Multiplication.
multiplication. See how to write the mathematical operations in order. See, division, comma, subtraction, comma, multiplication. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Please write down. Write the topic. Mathematical operations appear in order. Then write these two examples. This one. So I am going to write numerical expression. See, this is my numerical expression. Right? This is my numerical expression. I want to write mathematical operations in order. What is the first mathematical operation here?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
Right, okay. Multiplication is first. Then second, subtraction.
Subtraction.
Third is addition.
Addition.
Okay, right? So those are the right mathematical operations in order. Right. So now take my tute. Right? Take my tute. Right. Now we are going to simplify numerical expression. Simplify numerical expression. ඒ කියන්නේ numerical expression එක answer එක ගන්න යන්නේ. Right? So write small topic. Simplify numerical expressions. Simplify numerical expressions. Okay. Right. So my first one is, see, first one is this one. Simplify expression, numerical expressions having only addition. Okay? Only addition. එතකොට addition විතරක් තියෙන numerical expression simplify කරන්නයි යන්නේ. So now write another small topic. Simplify expressions having only addition. Simplify expressions having only addition. Right? Having only addition. Finish. Right. Now see my board. See only addition. Right? Remember 2 plus 4 plus 3. Now see, this is my numerical expression. Numerical expression. Addition, addition. Only addition. Only addition. එතකොට මේකේ තියෙන්නේ addition විතරයි. එහෙනම් simplify කරන්නේ කොහමද? මුලින්ම තියෙන addition එක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කරනවා. Right? Addition විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් මොකද කරන්නේ? ඉස්සෙල්ලාම තියෙන addition කරනවා. එතකොට හම්බෙන්නේ බලන්න මේ 2 plus 4 6.
6.
Then addition 3. Right? First 2 add, you get 6. Then addition 3. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. Understood? එතකොට මේ බලන්න හොඳට addition විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් මුලින්ම තියෙන එක ඉස්සෙල්ලාම add කරා ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟ addition එකට ගියා. Right? ඕනේ නම් මේ තියෙන step එක නැතුව එකපාරින් උනත් answer එක ලියන්නට පුළුවන්. Right? So this is how to simplify. Right? Only addition mean simplify in order. Right? Only addition mean simplify in order. Left to right. Add, then go to next addition. Right. Please write down this example. Right. I will write another example, right? See, 3 plus 4 plus 12. Simplify. Simplify.
Finish, sir.
Right. Now see, addition, addition. Only addition. Only addition means in order. In order. What is order? First, 3 plus 4, 7. Then addition 12. Right? First you add these two. Then 7 plus 12, that is 19. 19 is the answer. Right? එතකොට බලන්න හරි ලේසි නේ? addition විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් මුලින්ම තියෙන දෙන්න ඇඩ් කරුවා ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟට එකට ගියා. right? හැමතිස්සෙම මෙහෙම කරන්න බෑ. මේක කරන්නේ මොනවා වුණොත්ද? addition විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් only addition. Right? Right? Now I am going to do the next one. See, now we did this part. What is simplifying expression having only addition? Now I'm going to next one. Next one is simplify expressions having only multiplication. See, only multiplication. Right. Please write the topic. Simplify expressions having only multiplication. Right topic. Only multiplication. Right. Now see. Right. Now see. Only multiplication. Right. My first example is this one. 5 multiply by 2. Again multiply by 3. See. This is my numerical expression. Right? Multiplication, multiplication. Only multiplication. Right? Only multiplication mean how to simplify in order. මේ තියෙන පිළිවෙලටම තමයි simplify කරන්නේ. multiplication විතරක් තියෙනවා නම් මොකද කරන්නේ? මුලින්ම තියෙන දෙන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා multiply කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒන answer එක ඊළඟ කෙනාගෙන් multiply කරනවා. See? First 2 multiply. Right? 5 multiply by 2, 10. Then multiply by 3. Right? First 2 multiply, 10. Then we have 10 multiplied by 3. That is 30. So answer is 30. Simplify in order. Understood? Write down. Write down the example. අනිත් අය mic එක off කරලා තියාගෙන ඉමු. Now see. First 8 multiplied by 1. Order. 8 into 1 is 8. Okay? Then multiply 2. Then multiply 5. Now 8 and 2 multiply. Okay? Then you get 8 into 2, 16. Right? That multiply by 5. 8 into 2, 16. Multiply by 5. Then you get 18 into 5, 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 1, 5. Remain 3, 8. So answer is 8. නේ එතකොට බලන්න multiplication විතරක් තිබුණොත් මේ දෙන්න multiply කරලා එන answer එක මේකෙන් multiply කරා මේ දෙන්න multiply කරලා එන එක්කෙනා මේකෙන් multiply කරත් දෙකම එකයි වෙනසක් නැහැ right එතකොට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කරන්නේ කොහොමද මේ තියෙන පිළිවෙලට multiply කරගෙන යනවා okay that is the rule remember okay right now next part is this one I'll give the topic next topic is now we did the multiplication next topic is this one see I'm going to simplify expressions having only addition and subtraction okay addition and subtraction only write the topic addition and subtraction only. Okay, right. Addition and subtraction only, right? Now see, I will write one question here. This is my first question. 5 plus 3 subtract 4. See, mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, addition and subtraction only, right? Then how to simplify? In order. Addition, subtraction තියෙනවා නම් මේ තියෙන පිළිවෙලටම තමයි simplify කරන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා addition කරනවා ඊට පස්සේ subtraction කරනවා. හරිද? අර කලින් එක වගේමයි. එතන බලන්න 5 plus 3 මම චුටි ඉරක් අදිනවා 5 plus 3 8, right? Then subtract 4. Now subtraction only, no need to see. 8 minus 4, answer is 4. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Please write down the example. Write down the example. Right, now let's see the answer. Here, subtraction, addition, subtraction and addition, addition and subtraction only. Right, in order. First 20 subtract 3, right? 20 subtract 3, 17, right? Then go to addition, 5, right? Now 17 plus 5, then you got 22. Answer is 22. Okay, simplifying expressions having only multiplication and division, only multiplication and division. Right. Okay. Right. Now say I will simplify only multiplication and division. Okay. See, this is my example. 5 multiplied by 4. Right. That should divide by 10. See, 5 multiplied by 4 divide by 10. What are the mathematical operations? Multiplication, division. Multiplication, division only. Multiplication, division only. How to simplify? In order. මේ තියෙන පිළිවෙලටම තමයි simplify කරන්නේ. Multiplication, division තිබ්බොත් තියෙන පිළිවෙලට simplify කරනවා. එහෙනම් first multiplication, right? That means these two multiply. That means 5 into 4, 20. Okay?
20.
Then take the division 10. Now division. 20 divided by 10.
10. 10. 2.
2. Sure. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Right? That is the order. Multiplication, division තිබ්බොත් මේ තියෙන පිළිවෙලටම තමයි simplify කරන්නේ. ඉස්සෙල්ලා තියෙන්නේ multiplication ද multiplication. Right? ඉස්සෙල්ලා division තිබ්බොත් division. Right? Now write example. And try this.
Finish, sir.
Finish, sir. Finish, sir.
Right?
Finish, sir.
Hari, now see, I'll take answer.
Finish.
8 divide by 2 multiply by 5. See, division, multiplication. Right? Multiplication, division only. Then order. Right? First, divide. මේ තියෙන පිළිවෙලට හදන්න ඕන. එහෙනම් 8 divide by 2 4. Okay? 8 divided by 2 is 4. That multiply by 5. Right? Then you get 5 into 4, 20. So answer is 20. Answer is 20. Right? Right. Now go to my third. This is the important one. Multiplication, division. One group. That is one group. Eka group pega. Addition and subtraction. That is another group. හරිද? දැන් ඔයාලගේ ඉස්කෝලේ ගියාම ඔයාලා එක එක group තියෙනවානේ නේ? ඔයාලා සමාජයේ යාළුවෝ දෙන්න ගානේ ඉන්නේ යාළුවෝ තුන් දෙනා එහෙමනේ කට්ටිය එකතු වෙලා ඉන්නේ. අන්න ඒ වගේ මේගොල්ලන්ගේ තියෙනවා group. මොනවාද group එක? Multiplication, division එකට ඉන්නේ. Right? Addition, subtraction එකට ඉන්නේ. ඒක තමයි group එක. Right? එතකොට multiplication, division තිබුණොත් ඒවා හදන්නේ පිළිවෙලට. Addition, subtraction තිබුණත් පිළිවෙලට. Right? එතකොට multiplication හරි addition හරි තිබුණොත් එතකොට ওই විදියට හදන්න බෑ. එතකොට කරන්නේ මොකද්ද අපි? මේක තමයි first group එක. First this one. Right? Second addition, subtraction. නේ? මේගොල්ලෝ තමයි උඩින් ඉන්නේ. දැන් හරියට නිකන් අපි පන්තිය කිව්වොත් පන්තියේ පළවෙනියෝ දෙවෙනියෝ ඉන්නවනේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ හරි උඩින් ඉන්නේ. නේ අපි තමයි එක. නේද? එහෙම තමයි ඉන්නේ. හරි එහෙම ඉන්නේ නැහැ ළමයි නේ? හරි. මේගොල්ලෝ තමයි එක. right? Multiplication, division තමයි මුලින්. එතකොට ඒගොල්ලන්ව ඉස්සෙල්ලා. right? ඊට පස්සේ තමයි subtraction, addition. නේ? දැන් ඔයාලගේ පොත් දෙන්න ගියාත් එහෙමනේ පෙළ පොත් කොහමද? පොත් හොඳට පාවිච්චි කරපු අයට තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලා පොත් දෙන්නේ. නේ? right? ඒක තමයි මේකෙත්. කොහමද? Multiplication, division first. Then addition, subtraction. එතකොට මේකෙන් එකයි තිබුණොත් මේගොල්ලන්ව ඉස්සෙල්ලා හදන්න ඕන. මුලින් තිබුණාද පස්සේ තිබුණාද වැඩක් නැහැ. තේරුණාද ඔක? Understood? ගානක් හදලා බලමු නේ. හරි. Please note this one. මේක ලියාගමු ඉස්සෙල්ලා. Write down.
සර් මොකද්ද මාතෘකාව ලියන්නේ ඔකට?
No topic now. No topic now. Please write down this one. First, multiplication, division. Second, addition, subtraction.
Finish.
Right.
Finish, sir.
Okay. So remember,
Sir.
right, okay, right, okay. Now remember this one, huh? Right. Right. Now I'll write a numerical expression. See, this is my numerical expression, right? 3 plus 4 multiply 2. See carefully. Addition, multiplication. Right? See? Addition, multiplication. What is first group? What is first group?
multiplication
multiplication. එතකොට මේ බලන්න මේ මුලින්ම තියෙන්නේ addition. හරි මේ බලන්න. මුලින්ම තියෙන්නේ addition. නමුත් මුලින්ම addition කරන්න බෑ. එහෙනම් ඉස්සෙල්ලා කරන්න ඕන multiplication. එතකොට මේ ගාන simplify කරනවා නම් multiplication තියෙන්නේ මේ දෙන්නට. ඒ දෙන්නව තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලා හදන්න ඕන. එහෙනම් 3 ලියන්න වෙනවා එහෙම්මම addition උත් ලියන්න වෙනවා එහෙම්මම now multiply. right මේ දෙන්න multiply කරලා ඉන්නේ. 4 into 2 8. right understood? 3 addition multiply first 8. now only addition. now we can add. right 8 plus 3 11. answer is 11. okay understood?
Yes, sir.
Hari.
sir.
write the example.
No sir.
මේක තේරුන්නේ නැහැ.
No sir.
I'll write another one. right see my second question is 20 divided by 4 subtract 3. see division subtraction. see division subtraction making එකයි making එකයි. එතකොට හදන්නේ කවුද? division first නේ. එතකොට මේකේ division මුලින් තියෙනවා right ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. හදන්නේ division first right මේ ඉස්සෙල්ලා ඊට පස්සේ මේක right first divide right 20 divided by 4
Five.
then subtract 3 then 5 minus 3 that is 2. okay understood? last part is this one. see this is the last part, so write the topic this one. simplify expressions having brackets. having brackets. okay simplify expressions having brackets. right now see brackets. so I use one type of bracket here. now my example is this one. see first example 5 plus bracket 2 multiply by 4. see this is the bracket right මේ බලන්න bracket තිබ්බොත් bracket first right bracket first okay bracket first කියලා කියන්නේ bracket එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන දේ simplify කරන්න ඕන right එතකොට බලන්න inside the bracket multiplication ඒක අපි බලන්නේ multiplication ද addition ද subtraction ද බලන්නේ bracket එක ඇතුලේ හදලා ඉන්න ඕන එළියට එන්න එහෙනම් inside the bracket multiply. so do the multiplication. now 5 plus inside the bracket 2 multiplied by 4 8. now no need bracket දැන් bracket ඕනේ නැහැ bracket තිබුණේ ඇයි 2 4 කියලා දෙන්නෙක් හිටපු හින්දා right now no bracket Now 5 plus 8. That cannot, right? That is 13. Understood?
Yes, sir.
See another one.
Yes, sir.
Right. See another one. 3 bracket 4 plus 2. See this one. Right? Important one. 3 bracket 4 plus 2. Bracket is there. Bracket තියෙනවා. Bracket first. මේ බලන්න. Inside the bracket addition. ගැටලුවක් නැහැ හදන්නේ bracket. එහෙනම් 3 ලිව්වා inside the bracket. 4 plus 2 6. දැන් bracket නැහැ. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන්නේ කවුද? What is here? Multiplication. Here multiplication. Right? මෙතන කවුරුත් නැහැ කියන්නේ මෙතන කවුද ඉන්නේ? Multiplication. එතකොට bracket එකක් ඉස්සරහින් mathematical operation එකක් තිබුණේ නැත්තම් here multiplication. So here multiplication. Right? Now can multiply. 3 multiplied by 6.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh.
මේ ගිය සතියේ මට එන්න බැරුව ගියා සර් මේ ඒකේ YouTube වීඩියෝ එක තියෙනවද?
මම ඒක දැම්මා මං හිතන්නේ.
හරි සර්.
ඒක මගේ YouTube channel එකේ බලන්න. ගිහලා ඒකේ තියෙනවා. Right. Understood this one? මේක තේරුණාද?
Yes, sir.
Right. Write down. Any answer?
9
One answer is 9. What else answer?
1,
1. 7.
11.
11.
10,
10. තවත් තියනවද? 20. තව එකෙක් කව ජනිත් කියනවා 20.
20
හරි මේ බලන්න. මේ බලන්න. 7 I wrote. හරි. 7 I wrote here. හරි මේ බලන්න කාගේද හරි කියලා බලමු. 9 no 1 no 7 no 11 no 10 no 20. Right. Bracket first. Bracket first. See, this is the bracket. Inside the bracket, subtraction. Now 3 plus 2. Okay. Inside the bracket, 8 minus 4, 4. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ කවුද? Multiplication. Understood? මම කිව්වා bracket එකට ඉස්සරහින් කවුරුත් නැත්තම් මෙතන තියෙන්නේ කවුද? Multiplication. Okay. Now see.
14.
තවත් කියනවා answer. මේ බලන්න. Addition, multiplication. What is first? Addition, multiplication.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Multiplication first. Then you get 3 plus 2 multiplied by 8, 4. 2 into 8. Now 3 plus 8. 11. 11 is correct. Other all wrong. Other all wrong. Understood? So finally, I gave a big one. See, this is in the table. No problem. Do this one. So I want the answer plus 4 divide 3 minus 7. Hurry up, try. See, See, addition, multiplication, bracket, addition, division, subtraction. Any bracket first. This one first. Okay? මොනවා තිබ්බත් bracket ඉස්සලා ගන්න. එහෙනම් ලියනවා 3 plus 6 multiply. Okay? Inside the bracket addition. 6 plus 4 10. Divide 3 subtract 7. Okay? Now see addition, multiplication, division, subtraction. එතකොට bracket වලට පස්සේ බලන්නේ කවුද? Multiplication, division. That is first. Yeah. Multiplication here, division here. Multiplication උයි division උයි දෙකම තියෙනවා. එතකොට හදන්නේ order එකට. ඒ කියන්නේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ඉන්නේ multiplication. එහෙනම් multiplication හදලා ඉන්නවා. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි division. Right? Now 3 plus 6 multiplied by 10 60. Divide by 3. Subtract 7. Okay? Now division. Now you have to divide. Now see 3 plus 60 divided by 3 20 minus 7. Now addition, subtraction. So addition, subtraction is one group. Order. Addition, subtraction දෙකම තියෙනවා නම් තියෙන පිළිවෙලට හදන්නේ. Addition, subtraction. එහෙනම් first addition. 3 plus 20 23. Subtract 7. So 23 minus 7 is how many? 23 minus 7?
16.
Huh?
16.
16. 16. 16 කියපුවා හිටියා. Right?